Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install apps on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So this is going to be straight, simple, and let's go. We're going to move on to the top bar. Click on search, then click on search movies, apps, shows, and more. In this case, you're going to be looking for the app of choice. So for instance, I know about a very nice application for actually it works on Android TV, it works on Google TV. You're going to find it here. You're going to log the app actually is Plex. But this is as an example. So I'm searching for Plex and I'm going to click on the search button. This is an illustration to show you how to download and install an application on Google TV. So just give me some seconds as it loads up. This is Plex. The search button you just saw me click automatically routes to the Play Store and it's searching out from there. So when it searches, you find the application that you search for and you find the download button just beside it. Alright, so now you have the Plex application. That's the Plex application on the screen. After loading, all you need to do is click on this install button and the install process will begin. So give it some time, it's going to bend and begin the download. When the download completes, you find that there's an automatic install process where the device is just going to install the app, any app of choice. Plex is just an example. You could do this with any other app on Google TV and have it downloaded and installed.